Okay, coming to the eighth problem. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards west and the second train towards north. The first train travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart, find the average speed of each train. Listen to me. Two trains start at same point, same railway station. One train towards west, another train towards north. But the speed of the first train is 5 kilometers per hour faster than the speed of the second train. After 2 hours, the distance between those two trains is 50 kilometers. Then we need to find speed of the each train. That is a problem. See, first of all, if you are going to do that problem, we have to know directions also. If you observe any map on the map, you will observe directions. This is north, this is east, this is south, this is west. So here, this is the starting point of the two trains. First train towards west, second train towards north. It goes like this. Second train, first train, it goes like this. But the speed of the first train is 5 kilometers per hour faster than the speed of the second train. See here, if you assume speed of the second train is x kilometers per hour, then the speed of the first train is x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Why I have written like this? Why I have considered like that? Because according to problem, we need to consider like that. Now, see, this is the starting point, means railway station. So first train towards west, second train towards north. It goes, second train, speed of the second train is x kilometer per hour. Next, speed of the first train will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour. See, after 2 hours, distance between these two trains is 50 kilometers. See, it is in the form of right angle triangle. It is the hypotenuse. It is 50 kilometers. Here speeds they have given. So we need to convert these speeds are also into kilometers. See, after 2 hours, the distance covered by the second train will be, after 2 hours, the distance covered by the second train will be 2x kilometers. After 2 hours, the distance covered by the first train will be 2 into x plus 5 kilometers. Now we need to find speed of the two trains. So first, let x be the speed of second train. Why we have to assume second train? If you know the speed of the second train, we can find speed of the first train. Plus 5 if you include, then automatically that will be the speed of first train. So speed of first train is equal to x plus 5 kilometer per hour. So here also x kilometer per hour. Next, after 2 hours, distance between two trains is equal to 50 kilometers. Next, distance covered by first train in 2 hours is equal to 2 hours is equal to 2 into x, 2x. How could I write here? S is equal to d by t. So distance means s into 2 is equal to d. Speed into time is equal to distance. See here, distance covered by first train, covered by first train into hours is equal to time into speed, 2 into x, 2x. Next, distance covered by, sorry, it is not first train, it is second train. Distance covered by second train, second distance covered by first train is equal to, or else it here I will write. No problem at all, we can have this one. 2 into x is equal to 2x. Next, distance covered by first train into hours is equal to 2 into x plus 5. Now see, we have to take this one. After 2 hours, distance between them is 50 kilometers. So if you observe this figure, it is in the form of right angle triangle. So according to Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides. So from the information, if you draw pictorially, it will become like this. So this figure in the form of right angle triangle. At that time, we can write 2x whole square plus 2 into x plus 5 whole square is equal to 50 whole square according to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagorean theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now 2x whole square, you will get 4x square plus 4 into 2 into x plus 5 whole square, 4 into a plus b whole square. This number will be. Now x square plus 25 plus 10x is equal to 50 into 50. 5 into 5, 25. So 2500. Now 4x square plus 4x square plus 100 plus 40x is equal to 2500. Now 4x square plus 4x square, 8x square plus 40x plus 100 minus 2500 is equal to 0. Now 8x square plus 40x minus 2400 is equal to 0. From these three terms, we can take 8 is common. At that time, when you take 8 is common, x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. Here 8 is multiplying. After is equal to, it will divide. So x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. We need to find roots of a quadratic equation. See, by using factorization method, we can find. So in that, first we need to take first term and last term. We need to multiply. See, here I am taking x square into minus 300, we will get minus 300 x square. See, result is minus means one of the two terms, one term must be negative, another term must be positive. Then only we will get plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus. See here, middle term is plus 5x. So when you find two factors, for the larger number we need to give plus symbol, for the smaller number we need to give minus symbol. See here, find the prime factors of 300, 2 table, 150, next 2 table, 75, next it won't divisible, 75 is not divisible by 2, next we have to go for 3 table, so 25, next we have to go for 5 table, 5 5s, 1. Now see here, 2 into 150, 300, so minus 2 into plus 150 minus 300 we will get, but the sum is not equal to plus 5, we should not take. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 75 we are getting 300, minus 4 into 75 minus 300 will get, but if you add we won't get plus 5. Next 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 25, 300, minus 12 into plus 25 we will get minus 300, but if you add we won't get plus 5. Next, so like that we need to do. Now I can write as 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now minus 300 we can write as minus 20x plus 15x. See, minus into plus, minus 15 2s are 30, here 0 is there now, so 15 20s we will get 300. Now we can write as x square minus 20, sorry, plus 20, here plus 20 minus 15 plus 20x minus 15x minus 300 is equal to 0. From this take x is common, x plus 20, from this take minus 15 is common. Now x plus 20 is equal to 0. See here, after that we will get x plus 20 into x minus 15 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 20 or x is equal to 15. See, speed it won't be in negative numbers, so we should not consider x is equal to minus 20. So we need to consider x is equal to 15. Therefore, speed of the second prime we assumed as x. So speed of the second prime is equal to 15 kilometer per hour. Next, speed of the first train is equal to x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Now 15 plus 5, 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, check this one.